Joining us now is Jim Rickards, New York Times best-selling author and chief global strategist for Meraglim. Is that how you pronounce it?
That's right, sir.
M-E-R-G...
Meraglim.
Okay,
Meraglim, yeah.
Meraglim.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually Hebrew for the spies. We do predictive analytics in capital markets, so that's where we got the name.
There you go. Thanks very much. Now,
yep.
Look, you've been very cautious about the markets. You're on the border of sort of saying a crash is coming or a big sell-off is coming.
Certainly possible, absolutely.
The good times are over, you think?
We're getting close to that. Look, the economy's probably slowing in the fourth quarter anyway. A lot of demand was brought forward into the third quarter because of the hurricanes. That's over. The biggest blunder right now is the Fed is tightening in two ways. They're normalizing interest rates, raising them, and they're also normalizing the balance sheet by reducing the money supply. This has never been done before. We're all guinea pigs in an experiment.
Okay.
They're probably underestimating the impact of the reduction of the balance sheet. Ben Steele, Council on Foreign Relations, had a great article on this. They're over-tightening.
They're putting out, they're going to raise interest rates.
Correct.
And I think everybody agrees with that. It's the pace of raising, we don't know that, but they're raising interest rates.
Absolutely.
And at the same time, they're getting rid of $4 trillion worth of stuff that's on their books.
That's right, but it's called reducing the money supply. The way you get rid of the stuff is reducing base money. So they're reducing money and raising rates at the same time. This has never been done before. There's no real data on this, but the best estimates are that they're going to over-tighten. They should have done this in 2010, by the way.
And you think this is the reason why the good times are over and we're in for either a correction, a big sell-off, or a crash?
It's one reason. There are two other reasons. China's slowing, obviously, second largest economy in the world. The bigger reason is we'll be at war with North Korea within the next 12 weeks, and that's definitely
wait a minute, that's quite a statement. We'll be at war with North Korea within 12 weeks.
Correct. Well,
that's a projection.
Well, no. Mike Pompeo, director of Central Intelligence Agency, told me that. He said at a meeting on October 20th that it would be imprudent to assume it would take North Korea more than 5 months to have a robust nuclear arsenal. That's March 20th. I set my calendar. We won't wait until then. It'll be before then, so we have the element of surprise. Here's the thing. McMaster has said this. Mattis has said it. Tillerson has said it. Pompeo has said it. And the president has said it. Why no one's listening is a mystery to me, but they've made it very clear.
Okay, real fast, would you sell it all? I mean, look, some of us are sitting on some nice profits in the stock market. A lot of people are. Yep. Sell it, sell half of it. What would you do?
Oh, I recommend 10% gold and 30% cash. So if you don't have that allocation, I would sell that amount of stocks and reallocate.
Is Jim Rickards an investor in Bitcoin? Because it hit $12,000 a coin today.
Bitcoin's fascinating because it's a fraud.
Well, I asked, are you an investor in it?
I am not.
You're not?
No, and I don't recommend it for clients.
Speculative bubble.
A bubble, a fraud, and a Ponzi at the same time. Like Madoff was 2 out of 3. He was a fraud and a Ponzi. Tulip Mania was a bubble, but you got to keep the tulip, so it wasn't a fraud. Bitcoin's all three.